What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy, Yurr Perspective. Back at it again with another video. For y'all who not new to the channel, welcome back. If y'all new to the channel, welcome to the channel, man. I drop POVs, I drop funny memes on my shorts. And honestly, I just drop motivational videos too, like this one right here, man. I want y'all to stay motivated. I want y'all to be in the same position as me, man. And so what I'll do is I just teach y'all the same lessons that I've learned. So you don't have to go through the trials and tribulations that I had to go through to actually learn these lessons, to gain this wisdom, to gain this knowledge. And so one of the first things I want to teach y'all, man, is just understanding how to stay positive. Like right here, I could have been mad as hell this guy just cut me off. But he's a fellow Mustang owner. He got a GT. He actually got the color that I low-key wanted originally. So I'm gonna stay positive. Nah, but for real, like, the power of staying positive is so important and it's so real, because when nothing can disturb your energy, when nothing can disturb the temperament of your day, it's so powerful. Let's say you're having a bad day, man, but you're still positive. You're still finding ways to be happy. You are able to stay in a good mindset regardless of the scenario around you, man. Some people are not able to do that. Some people, when one bad thing happens, they crash out. They get emotional. They get distracted from their goals. They get disarrayed. They get flabbergasted. But you, man, when you stay calm, when you stay positive, you are able to pivot when needed. You're able to adjust your strategy when needed. You're able to be adaptable, man. Like, and those are skills that are needed when we're talking about trying to get to our goals, when we're talking about getting our dream cars, when we're talking about, you know what I mean, climbing up in our career, man. These are all goals. These are all things you need to learn to have, because they all come in handy. Like, let's say you're single now, right? You're staying positive at your career. Things happen, bad things happen. Excuse me. I don't know what you guys do for work, but for me, I'm a salesperson. I'm in technical sales. So some days are good and some days are bad. But regardless if they're good or bad, I gotta stay positive, because tomorrow might be the day I get that sale. Tomorrow might be the day I may be able to solve someone's problem to get that sale. Tomorrow might be the day that even if I haven't hit any numbers the whole year, this could be the one big deal that does it for everybody. But yeah, man, I just gotta stay positive. I mean, stay positive through the rain. No pun intended. Stay positive through the storm. Stay positive through all your issues, man, and keep on pushing, keep on working, keep on going. Don't stop, bro. Because the person that you're going to become at the other end of that is going to thank you. The person that you're going to become at the other end, the person that you're going to be around at the other end are going to thank you. Your wife, your kids, your friends, your family, your cousins, your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad. They going to thank you for not stopping, even if they don't say it to you verbatim. But they're going to thank you and they're going to appreciate you for the man you become, for the woman you become after you go through those scenarios. Because the person you become after pushing yourself, the person you become after persevering, and the person you become after not stopping, regardless of the circumstance, is always better than the person that is in the fire. The product of who you are after coming out the fire is always better than who you are when you're in the fire. Think about when you're think about all the people who make swords, man. Think about all the other glass makers, man. When you put the sand in the fire, when you put the metal in the fire, it's a lot of red nonsense going on. You got to hammer it down. You got to twist and turn. But once it cools, once it's gone through the whole process, it's become something useful. You get what I'm saying? You have a metal blob when it's in the fire, but when it comes out, it's useful. You can put water in your glass face now. You can use a sword to protect your family. You can use a sword to protect yourself. I'm telling you, man. When you stay positive through the storm, when you stay positive through the circumstances, you are always able to come out on the other side much better than anybody else. Being pessimistic is lame, bro. And anyone who tells you different is lame themselves. Because when you're pessimistic, you don't see any opportunities. You don't see no room for growth. You don't see no room for having gratitude for what God has given you. You don't see no room for improvement. You don't see no room for anything, man. I mean, even like this guy right here, the police officers are like right next to me right here, man. I could be like, dang, yeah, the police officer, fuck the police. But on some real stuff, he not bothering me. I'm going below the speed limit. We need folks like that out there because they gonna keep everyone in line. Look at everyone going the speed limit, bro. What would happen if everyone just started going on some like 100 miles per hour on a 65, bro? What would happen? I mean, Tennessee, bro, it's already crazy how folks drive out here, man. It's already crazy. We don't need any extra accidents. But I'm just playing around. But really, if you can stay positive no matter what you're going through, it allows you to have a different vision than most. It allows you to stay calm. It allows you to stay stoic. It allows you to make better decision making. Because when you are not tripping out, when you're not crashing out, when you are not worrying about what's going to happen next, or what's going to happen out of fear, out of doubt, out of regret, you're able to think a little bit more clear, and you're able to make better decisions for you, your family, and those around you, man. It's important to think positive, because the more positive you think, the more likely you are to experience positive outcomes. I don't know the theory of this, but there is one out there that when you start, let's pick a story, right? You got your friend's birthday bash at 7:30 p.m. He lives 30 minutes out. You leave at 7:20. You're already running late. You're grabbing your keys. You're running outside. You're trying to get there on time. And everything else is just piling on top. You heading into your car. You realize yesterday you told yourself today I'll get gas. Now you got to stop and get gas. You finish getting gas. Now you about to head out and pull out. Red light. Okay, cool. The red light goes. Another red light. Then another red light. And then you get into traffic. And you're like, bro, this could not happen at the most inopportune times. But what you got to realize is there's a theory out there that when you are rushing and freaking out, you attract more bad energy to you towards your destination than you actually think. If you head out at 6:20 and say, all right, man, I'm running a little bit late, but let me just make sure I get there on safely at least. And you go get your gas, I promise you, like, just try it, man. I promise you, you will experience less inopportune events happening on your journey to that destination, man. It's guaranteed, man. And I've done it myself. I've literally been in the position where I've been running outside, running a little bit late to my destination. I had to go get gas. Boom, boom, red light, boom, traffic. I'm like, bro, how is all this happening when I'm late? If I had left 30 minutes, and all you can think about in that time is, man, if I had left 30 minutes ago, I would have been fine. If I didn't do this last thing, I would have been fine. If I didn't do all this last thing, you keep on blaming yourself. You keep on getting this cycle of like, man, everything is just going wrong right now, man. Like, what the hell is going on? But if you just stay positive, there are more times where you can get better experiences. Like today, I'm not even gonna lie, today's been a bad day for me. I left at my house, my girl left, she locked the crib. I didn't have my keys. I'm stuck outside with my dog for at least an hour and a half because I ain't have my keys. And I got work to do. And I could have been over there like, dang, bro, but I said, you know what, bro? I'm gonna take this time to just chill out and cool down, man. I went to our little, what's it called? I don't even know what we call this thing. But the center for all the residents at my apartment complex that they can hang out, chill. They got a pool table there. They got a grill or whatnot. It's right next to the pool. I head over there with my dog. We just chilling on the inside. I could have been mad, but I'm like, man, I can realize just work from my phone. I don't have a reason to be mad. I can just work from my phone, take meetings on my phone, and be fine. Hour and 30 goes by. I go to our front office. I get the key. I get inside my apartment. All right, cool. Everything's done. Then I have a meeting 40 minutes away from where I'm supposed to be, but a lunch with some of my coworkers, and I forget my laptop because I was supposed to work with them after. And I didn't realize till after the lunch was over. I could have been mad. I could have been throwing a fit, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just face the music, tell these guys I forgot my laptop, and ain't nothing I can do. And surprisingly, considering that some of these guys are all the guys I'm hanging out with, they may not be my direct leadership, but they are definitely one step above me in the chain. They didn't trip. They didn't ridicule me. Matter of fact, the most high up on the chain said, man, I remember when I did that at a client myself when I was rushing out the door myself. And he resonated with me because I wasn't shy, I wasn't scared. I said, hey man, I forgot my laptop. That's my bad. And he said, it's all good, man. I remember when I did that too. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, we actually laughed about it. And during other meetings, like, hey, you could have done this, but like they're laughing with me about it because my energy is good. I'm not sulking. I'm not pouting because I left. I'm not stressing myself. I'm not stressing anyone else about it. I said, you know what? It's a bad look. Happens to the best of us. Take it on the chin. Next time I won't do that. Next time I'll be more meticulous. That's all you can do. But staying positive allows you to think like this. Staying positive allows other people around you to receive your positive energy, man. Have you ever been around someone who's always negative all the time? You never want to hang out with this dude, man. You never want to work with this dude. But when you hang out with someone who's positive, someone who uplifts your spirits when you're down, you always want to be around them because you know that they think nothing can go wrong. As long as they woke up that day, everything is great. And that's where staying positive helps, because God has blessed us even on our worst days. Even on our worst days, God has blessed us. On our worst days, we're still alive. On our worst days, we still have food on the table. On our worst days, we can still come back to a home. Not everyone can say that, man. There's so many things to be positive about when things are not going right. And I want to let y'all know that, so that on your journey to this, like, you know, whatever you put your mind out to, because it may not just be about having a Mustang, man. Some of y'all are definitely out there searching, looking, 20 tabs, 30, 40 tabs deep, trying to figure out what's the best price to get your Mustang, whether you want to go 2020, 2024, 2018. I feel you. I was right there, man. I was right there, window shopping like a mug, like 5 months before I even got my car, man. But there's going to be bumps on the road. There was definitely bumps on the road before I got this car. I didn't know it was going to happen. Well, I did know I was going to get the car eventually, but I didn't know if on my road to getting this car, if it was going to happen in the time frame that I wanted. I didn't know that. And by God's grace, it did. And all I can say is be positive. Trust in God. You know what I mean? Like, and that's the best way to be positive. If you can't have any positive thoughts, just pray to God, and He'll make them come into your mind miraculously. Because He's done it for me, and I know He can do it for you. And so, when I'm talking to y'all today, and I'm talking about being positive, it could just be on your journey to getting this car, man. You know, when you're saving up for your money, when you're saving up for the car, sometimes unexpected expenses happen. It's just life, man. Sometimes you gotta dig a little bit out, and it may set you back a couple grand. But at least you live to tell another day. At least you live to fight another day, man. And you can get it back. But you gotta believe in yourself. You gotta stay positive. You can't be out here sulking. You can't be out here with your head down. Lift your head up and don't let your crown fall, man. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep pushing. And keep striving, man. Hey, man, I'm out, man. I just want to talk to y'all for a little bit. And I'm going to keep talking to y'all, man, because I don't want to get away from the purpose of this channel, man. As much as it is, you know, watching me do POVs, because I know you guys love watching the POVs, and you guys love hearing the exhaust, and you guys love hearing me, you know, cut in traffic, or just have them backfires and burbles coming through the exhaust as well. I also want y'all to be in the same position as me, man. I also want to drop some game while I have y'all attention, man. I also want this to be productive for y'all, man. I don't want y'all to feel like y'all just wasting your time window shopping, watching my content. I want y'all to feel inspired. I want y'all to feel motivated. I want y'all to feel encouraged, because at the end of the day, that's what driven perspective is, man. I'm showing y'all the POVs because y'all can be there, and I want y'all to dream about y'all being there, 2 hands on the steering wheel, trying to get there too, man. And I know y'all can get there too, man. I believe in y'all, so y'all need to believe in yourself, man, and stay positive. And most importantly, man, stay driven. All right, man, I'm out. Love y'all. Peace.